Hi, I'm Miss Geraldine Grace Garcia, your Mathematics 8 teacher. So for today, I will be discussing how to identify if the given algebraic expression is a polynomial or not. Learning objective. At the end of this presentation, the learners are expected to identify if the given algebraic expression is a polynomial or not. But what is a polynomial? A polynomial consists of one or more terms in which the only allowable exponents are the whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. The terms are connected by addition or subtraction signs. A term is a product of a number and one or more variables raised to a power. This is according to McGraw-Hill Company's 2001. It means that polynomials are sums of terms in the form k times x raised to n, where k is any real number except 0 and n is any whole number. Take note that x can be replaced with other variables. For example, x squared minus 1. The first term x squared can be written as 1x squared, wherein the exponent of x is positive 2, while negative 1 can be written as negative 1 x raised to 0. Take note that x raised to 0 is just 1. X raised to 0 has an exponent of 0, which is a whole number. Therefore, x squared minus 1 is a polynomial. Let's have our next example. 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. The first term, 2x squared, has a variable of x and an exponent of 2, which is a whole number. The second term, 7x, has a variable of x and an exponent of 1, while the last term, 3, can be written as 3x raised to 0, wherein the exponent of x is a whole number. Therefore, 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 is a polynomial. Take note that the term in the form k times x raised to n, the x there can be replaced with any variable. Let's have our first example. X cubed minus 1. Notice that the first term is x cubed, and the exponent of variable x is 3, which is a whole number. The second term is negative 1. Negative 1 can be written as negative 1 x raised to 0, and the exponent of x is 0, which is a whole number. Therefore, this is a polynomial. Let's have 6. 6 can be written as 6 multiplied by any variable raised to 0. Since the exponent of that variable is 0, which is also a whole number, therefore, this is a polynomial. Let's have our next example. X squared minus 2 square root of x. The first term is x squared, where variable x has an exponent of 2. 2 is a whole number. The second term is negative 2 square root of x. Unfortunately, x is in a radical symbol. This is not a polynomial because of the second term, since the exponent of x is 1/2, which is not a whole number. Take note that square root of x is equal to x raised to 1/2. In any polynomial, the variable should not be in a radical symbol. Let's have our next given. 5x raised to negative 2. Notice that the exponent of variable x is negative 2. Therefore, this is not a polynomial. Our next given, a squared plus 2a plus 1. The first term is a squared, wherein variable a has an exponent of 2, which is a whole number. The second term is 2a, wherein variable a has an exponent of 1, which is a whole number. And the last term 1 can also be written as 1a raised to 0, wherein the exponent of a is 0, which is a whole number. Therefore, it is a polynomial.